Hi everyone, hey, it's Jenny with Gigglin' Hearts, and I just wanted to go through because I haven't had a chance to do the live with the 7 through 12 album yet. So this is, if you haven't seen it, this is the K through 6, and so that's the cover of it. And the video is posted on my website, so you're welcome to check that out. But I wanted to show you the 7 through 12. Hi, Glenda. Hi, Angela. I wanted to show you the 7 through 12 pages. I took one of our new Complete Creativity cartridge from Close to My Heart, and I edited it. This had the Halloween page on it. So I did Welcome Back to School. And so this is for 7 through 12. So I should be done soon with the instructions. We have Sean's got an MRI today and a big oncology appointment tomorrow. So I'm hoping that I'll get it posted on Thursday. I just kind of turned into a zombie. So anyways, all the pre-cuts come with all these strips of paper and all this instructions, and so they all have, so like this is 7th grade, and they have journaling pockets, and then they have first day and last day, and so in the pre-cut kits I still have 2 available. I have 2 available, and then I have my done albums, so I technically have 3 available. I think I'm charging, with the stamp sets, it comes to like $2.99. So if you want my done albums, let me know and I'll make you a deal. How's that? Because I don't have kids going to school. So anyway, so they all have 8.5 by 11s. They all have a blurb, and then you fill in the grade for a story, or you could put a picture on there. They all have 4 by 6 pieces. And then, so how it works is, oh, that got put in backwards. Okay. How it works is there's all, for each year, they have this many page protectors. They have one that is for an 8 by 10 picture, and then they have one that is for a 6 by 8 picture, so class pictures. And then they are supposed to have, this page is supposed to go on the other side. So my spouse didn't put them back correctly, but he was helping me take pictures. So anyway, so this is, they come with these little journaling sheets that I did. So this is 8th grade. They have the cute little locker, and then first and last day, then the 4 by 6s, and that is how it's supposed to look. So one giant picture, then lots of little pictures to go on. So it's enough for the school year. You could put their artwork pictures in here. You could put, band things, anything really, group sports pictures. I really tried to make it very high school generic. And so that is first and last. So it's all the same cuts essentially, and you just use up your scraps, and you can use up whatever colors you want. If you're doing it for an all boy album, it could be all boy colors. If you're doing it for all girls, you could do all pinks or whatever. But thank you, Glenda. Thanks, Angela. I'm so glad you're excited. It really came out very cool, I think, and I'm sorry it's taking so long. It's a beast, though. There's a lot of pictures and a lot of instructions and a lot of cuts. So, and the Cricut cuts are taking forever, but we're getting there. So, among all things, we're getting there, but I think it's coming out really cute, and I got the page protectors on sale, so, you guys are saving quite a bit. And so anyways, I hope you like it. I'm just trying to go through it quickly, so this isn't a 18-minute video, but really very generic as far as schools go. There's no main one school color. You could do it all, like my high school colors are green, black, and white. You could do it all in the same high school colors, or you could do it in different colors. You could do it in all cardstocks. Really, it's that's kind of how I designed it to be very scrappy. And I just used up leftover paper from lots of different paper packs. Because Close to My Heart seems to use all the same colors. So you'll be surprised how many different paper packs I used. And their senior year. And then they're so happy they're done with school. So both albums are this way. If you haven't seen the K through 6 album, go on my blog and check it out. But anyways, I just wanted to get on and show you guys how the high school ages came out and the colors I used. I think it came out really cute. So we'll talk to you guys later. Have a great Tuesday afternoon and happy October 1st. Bye-bye.